Come along for a journey of discovery as we explore new color palettes. Talk about our colors for a second. Qunacridone Violet, golden. Cobalt Teal, golden, both 2. Velvet, this little piggy. Lagoon, this little piggy. Or this little piggy. Cell activators, Amsterdam both. Lamp black. Titanium white, mixed with 3 parts Australian Floetrol. I'll explain to you what's going on today. I'm going to be doing this as a test for a color palette for an upcoming piece. So I just wanted to take a few minutes and test to make sure that the colors that I have here are going to work together the way I think they will. I do this frequently, don't often talk about it, but that's what's happening today. So I'm going to just do probably just going to do a simple bloom and make like some games with it, but without really a lot of discussion about it, let's get right to it. I'm going to add a little bit of pearlescent pearl, boom gel, stained. I usually use this as a cell enhancer. Today I'm using it as a separation color. Oh my. love the look of it right now, but the middle has almost enough paint taken off, but not quite. So I'm going to have to spin a little bit more, which means I'm going to lose some of my outsides. But it's a kind of an oh well situation. Okay. I sure hope that sticks. It kind of looks like it wants to break up a little bit. Okay, that's better. It's kind of trade-off sometimes.
If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos. It really does help, and it's absolutely free.
I want to thank you very much for being here today, and I hope that you did get something out of this. Until next time, bye for now.